All right, let's take you to see this helicopter. That's a nice one, isn't it? We're at the Pittsfield Air Show. Ooh, look at that. I get to see all inside there. All the gears. Handles here. That's unreal to ride up in the air and stuff and have this all just glass for you to see right out. Look at everything. Look at that. 20 gallons fuel. Nice, look at that. Get to see the end. Oh, look at this, how it can all just turn right around here at the end. That is like so cool. Oh my God, when you're in the air and that's all thin cables to just turn it, make the difference. Wow. Look at that, just so you can get a good look there. Let me bring that into you. Wow. That is like just so cool. Little tires and everything. But just to turn around and have it just like that. Have all the glass all around you. Be able to see. Oh, look at that. Harley Davidson. Alright. So I hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you. Be sure to sub me. I'll bring you some more. Bye-bye now.